Hello everyone, and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to move Steam games from one hard drive to another. If you are like me, I have a ton of games installed and I'm pretty much running out of hard drive space. So what I want to do is I want to take my games from the hard drive that's almost full and move it to a brand new hard drive that I have that has tons of space on it. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to this PC, if you're in Windows 10, and you want to go to the drive that's almost full or the drive that you want to move your games from. In this case, for me, it's on drive E, and I want to move some games from drive E to my G drive because my G drive, as you can see here, I have a ton of space on. So what you do is you go into the hard drive that you want to move the games from, and you want to go to Program Files, you want to go to Steam, you want to go to Steam Apps, and you want to go under Common. This will have all the games listed that is installed on this hard drive from Steam. So if you want to move multiple games, I would suggest either writing down the games or take note of the games that you want to move. In this case, for this example, I want to move Call of Duty World War II. Okay? And the reason why I say take note, you'll find out in a moment. So now what you want to do is if you have a brand new hard drive, you want to go to that hard drive and you want to create a folder. Any folder, you can name it whatever you like. I named mine Steam. And that's all you do on the new hard drive. Alright? And you'll see why in a moment. Once that is done, you want to go to Steam. So log into Steam as you normally would. And you want to go to Library, and you want to go to your Games folder. Okay? Now, you should see all your games that's installed on your PC from Steam. And this is why I say take note of the games that's on that drive that you want to move. Because if you're like me, you have a ton of games and I have multiple drives and I don't know what is what. So if I wanted to move Call of Duty, what you do is you just right click on it, go to Properties. Once you're in Properties, you want the Local Files tab right here. Okay, and then once you're under the Local Files tab, click on Move Install Folder. Now, like I said, in my case, I have multiple drives. But if you want to click on this little down arrow, and you can see my G drive with that folder that I created of Steam. That's why I say create a folder on there, if it's a brand new drive. So now I have my game, I have my drive. All you do is click on Move Folder. That's it. That's it. Now this game might take a little while, but you're going to see a progress bar start filling up here with the little blue blocks. Once it goes already at the end, all you do is hit close and you're done. Steam will take that game from the old drive and will move it to the G drive. It will completely remove it from the old drive, so you don't have to uninstall and reinstall or nothing. Steam takes care of all that for you. And that's it, guys. Now, I've already did one game, but if you want to do multiple games, do the same thing. Right-click on the next game, hit Properties, go to Local Files, Move Game Folder, rinse and repeat for each game. That's why I said in the beginning you want to write down or take a note of what games are on that hard drive. Because if you have a lot of games like I do and multiple hard drives, it's hard to keep track where is installed where. Anyway, I hope this is helpful. I will have the steps in the description as well, so you can go by step. And I really hope this was helpful to you, and thank you for watching, and happy gaming.